guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we have a look at the Air Max Plus TN Supreme. If you are new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and you'll never miss any of our latest reviews. Let's get into the review, and today we have a look at the Nike Air Max Plus TN with Supreme, and this is the latest collaboration between Nike and Supreme. And this box, we'll start with the box actually. This box comes in the nice premium black Nike box, but with that added Supreme logo right there on the sides. And let's get into descriptions. So we've got the mean green colorway, and we've got this in the US 8.5, a UK 7.5, and it's a European 42. Let's get open it. Look at that, really vibrant colors. And there's so many little details which I'll get into when we do when we do the review. So, as always, here at Oneupreviewz, we start with the outsole. So that outsole is an all rubber outsole with a plastic shank in the middle, TN logo right there, and you have the 4 holes which show the TN Plus air cushioning right there. Going along the upper, and you have the iconic Air Max bubbles, and this is the finely tuned one. Hints right, it's called the Nike Air Max TN Plus TN, which means tuned, and you can find it right there at the forefoot, and the heel with the air bubbles and the little windows, and you have the orange shank plate right there. Going along the upper, it's an all TPU heat press. If you look at it, the little hits of mesh, it's all nylon upper with the TPU lettering. And what is really dope, I didn't see this until someone showed me, but if you look closely right here on both the lateral and the medial side, it says Supreme. And now, because I can I've seen it now, I can't stop seeing it. Whereas on the original Air Max Plus TNs, it's all this like stripe logo here. Not logos, the stripes there, and it goes all the way up into the upper. And that was designed to be reflective, so you got the reflective bars at the toe area. Because essentially this was a running shoe, and the designer, Sean McDowell, he noticed how a lot of the Nike sneakers back in the day, they didn't have anything to correlate with runners running at night. They wanted to be more visible to ongoing cars and whatnot. So he's incorporated the 3M reflective bars. And where I mentioned that design of the TN, you'll always have these lines going up towards the heel area. And what's dope, as I mentioned, it says Supreme. You can see it right there. I can't get enough. And it's really dope because we've got this in the mean green colorway. It's one of the 3 colorways that this sneaker came out in. And to me, this is more in line with more of the Air Max Plus TNs that have come out in the past. You had that dope sunset colorway, the original blue, and there was a purple one. Those were the 3 original colors. And this is more in line with that than the black and pink one that came out recently, along with this pack, the Supreme pack. And I don't think I'm able to get it, but the white and red true OG Supreme colorway that is yet to come out, it should be coming out in November, early November. But let's continue with the review of the sneaker. And you got the normal lacing system there. On the tongue, instead of a Nike swoosh or the Nike branding, you got the Supreme branding. And at the back, you got the TN logo. As I mentioned before, it means tuned air. And look at this swing tag. You got both Nike Air and Supreme. Now this is a really dope sneaker to add to your collection. One of the hottest collaborations, in my opinion, to have come out this year. Obviously, us being British based, all that resonates with the Air Max TN in here, in London really. These were colloquially called the TN, or aka, sorry, it was known as the 110s. So growing up, I've already known the Air Max Plus TNs, I've already known them as 110. So this is really dope to see hit our shores in the UK. Obviously there is a UK shop of Supreme, and I'm gonna round it off. This is such a dope pickup to have. One of the heritage, if you want to say, of Nike's running wear, and I can't wait to try these on. I'm wearing some Nike fleece, tech fleece joggers to go along with this very vibrant sneaker. Let's do this, let's go. When it comes to the fit, guys, go true to size. However, there are some things I want to mention. It does feel really tight on the top of my feet, but obviously this is a running sneaker, so it's meant to have that lockdown support. In regards to comfort, I can feel that cushioning at the heels, that Air Max TN, that nice tuned air bubble. Really dope and comfy in regards to when I'm walking. Obviously, like I mentioned, this is for running, so expect that nice comfort. All in all, a really dope sneaker to add to your collection. For you hype beasts out there, I'm not sure if there's any going. I've seen resale pricing is not too high, so if you're in desperate need of a pair, you can still get them at StockX, I guess, for £200. However, there is a further release of the white ones, so if you're able to get that, get it. I don't know if that's going to resell or whatnot, but all in all, this is a great sneaker to add to your collection. Look at those colours, and it's Supreme. So, but there's one thing I want to mention before we round it off. There are some imperfections, so you can, right here on the right side, there's some glue coming off. And I don't know if it's factory fault, but there's like little holes above the shank plate right there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram. Until next time, peace.